Inampayan kaya ako ni Nikki Quality, akala niya siguro ano. Ayan, 2 minutes to go.
Ngunit nang dumating ang araw na gusto na niyang talikuran, ay huli na ang lahat at sa kamay ng kaibigan ipinasok ang tingga, tumulo ang dugo sa lonta. Ngayon alam niyo na ang kwento ni Asyong Salonga.
Kahit sa patalim kumapi, isang tuka, isang kahi, ang mga kamay na may bahid ng galing.
Well, thank you for coming. Napakalala ko sa'yo yung kambal ko, si Dodong. Ayan. Bigyan mo nga ako ng chips mamaya. Ay, mamaya, sige pa. Lagay tayo dyan. Pwede mo kayo red horse ko doon. Kamabansagan ka na hari ng mundo. 1 minute to go, guys. Huwag niyo kayo iwan, guys, ha. Ayan, dyan lang kayo. Pahiram ng inyong oras.
Why Chucky should be our baon? Kasi nutritious. Ipabaon ang favorite Chucky.
Daming stains.
Domex dapat unstoppable sa pagtanggal ng stains at germs. Domex.
Ganyan.
Pasensya na aking mahal, di naman ako magtatagal. Nais ko lamang marinig mo ang bawat nilalaman.
Ayan ang mga PKPK.
Bukyan mo sana mga sinasabi ng awitin ko. Pilitin ng ibalin at sa iba'y isalin. Ay di malimot ang halimuyak na antig ng
Alright! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you guys. By the way, highway, my name is Dang, also known as for tonight, I am Dodong, ang romantikong basketballista na kahit na hindi binigyan ng mahabang bias, magaling naman to sa panliligaw. Di ba pwede maligawan dyan, guys? Ayan, welcome here. Welcome sa aking solo live house, guys. This week is ang aming team, our team, Sugar Rose Family Agency. Team for this week is gender bender. So, mag-switch kami ng kaya huwag kayo magtaka. Pinapantayan ako ni Nikki Quality, my goodness. Alright, this is my first song. Hope you like it, guys. Asa na ba yun? Nawala pa? Ayun. And hope you like it, guys. Welcome here. Paranahin ko kayo, guys. Pero hindi ko kaya ang boses na laki, so male voice pala? Female voice pala. Good evening, everyone. Hope you stay and hope you enjoy my show today. Nalangin sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dahil wala nang iba kung mas mahal ka sa kamis na tulad ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana naman makikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin na mahal kita. Nalangin ka sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. Hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. At sana iba kung mas mahal ka Sa tamis na tulog ng pag-ibig natin dalawa. Sana naman makikinig ka kapag ating sasabihin minamahal kita. Manalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi ka kaya na ito, mawala ka sa aking mahal ko iyong para akong kirat. Kung marunong kami dat. Nanganalangin ko. At hindi pa kaya ang pusong ito. Nawala ka sa aking piling. Mahal ko iyong thank you very much, guys! Yumi si Kulets! Kalimutan na akong panoodin. Talaga naman yung liligawan ko, nakalimutan akong panoorin. And here's my next song. Yung crush ko dito sa, sa Wiki, wala dito. Ano ba yan? Hindi ako may start. Hindi! Hey! Hey! Good evening, everyone. Don't forget to top up the screen, guys. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what goes to wait. It's a beautiful makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. Nakits ba dyan? And then she asked me, thank you very much. Do I feel alright? Bigyan niyo naman ako ng chicks. Say yes. You don't want my fault tonight. Yeah! Sino pwede maligawan dyan? Ay, hindi loyal. Go to a party. There's beautiful lands to see. Yes, my name is Dodo. Hey, nandun na pala yung crush ko. You know with me. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? Ang dami nagpipikay. And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Welcome here, guys. Don't forget to tap up the screen. Wonderful, because I see the light in your eyes. And I wonder, oh, it all is that just don't see your eyes, how much I love you. As I have family, the Girls Family Agency, thank you very much. And of course, the Hero Family, thank you very much. And Open Monday Family, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga nagpunta po rito. Team Walwar, thank you very much. It's time to go home. Pin BJ, so I gave our car key. Thank you very much, mga dear. Along today. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? in my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Welcome here, guys. Good evening, everyone. I feel wonderful tonight. I love you guys. Thank you very much. Love, 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 Colette. Love you. Akelina, thank you po. Thank you, guys. Dos, thank you. Zam, thank you. Yumita, thank you. Love, love, everyone.
Atong
Another song?
at gamit sa kusina mo, napupuno na ba ang iyong cabinet sa mga damit, bag?
Thank you sa mga gift na, guys. Love, love, everyone. Don't forget to tap the screen and send me your recommendation card. Thank you. I love you all. Says he, his voice I said, and telling me what it means to me. Every single day, you always had this word. How many times I told you I love you, but this is all I know. Di ako mag-recommenda. To me and hold me, and you will see the love I give. You'll see all it means. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, but this is all I know. I never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. But this is all I know. I never go far away from you. Thank you very much, Dos. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give, for you still hold it here. Every single day, you always act this way. Well, how many times I told you I love you, but this is all I know. Welcome here, guys. AI! Magaling ka na, Mabi. Thank you for coming. Even this sky will tell you that I need you so. But this is all I know. Never lost or never know. Far away from you. Ate John, thank you. Sisi Bulayan, thank you very much. Yes, Bibi ko, let's go. Sabi sa'yo, I love you. Pinagawan ko yung jowa eh. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. Thank you. Thank you. This is all I know. And now for sure, far away from you, far away from you. Thank you, Nick. And even the sky will tell you that I Ayan, ano ang susunod ko? Ayan, ito pa, isa pang... Sana kinikilig kayo sa akin, guys, ha? Another pampakilig song.
Blinding sunlight getting in
Thank
the
you very
way?
much sa mga
Worry no
nagpunta po.
more.
Thank you,
Enjoy
thank you. Don't
limited
forget
time
to tap
offers
tap
on
the screen,
top
guys. Thank you
sunglasses
very
brands
much.
today.
I
Save
love you
even more with the best
all.
branded deals with free shipping, zero
Baby
pesos
AR, get
minimum
go very,
spend.
very soon.
Shop your summer essentials now on
And
Lazada.
don't forget to tap tap the screen, guys. Yee! Congrats sa 10,000. Uy!
Excited din maki-playtime sa inyo lahat.
Lord.
Kaya pilit.
Thank you for coming, guys. Don't forget to tap tap the screen. Hello, Ate Jo. Ayan, narano ko si Ate Jo. You ever try really reaching out for the other side? Maybe climbing or rainbow where baby you go. Running all those sweet love is for us to do. If you're wondering what this song is leading to, try to make it ready. I really think that we can make it good. So let's Apka. Yumi Apka, Yumi. No, you don't know me well. Maybe everything only time will tell. If you wanted what this song is leading to. Okay. Life is short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I don't do what I like to help me through, I make it ready. I really think that we can make it good. Once again, good evening everyone, and thank you very much. Sugar Rolls Family Agency, Safira Agency, Open-Minded, Family, Team Walwal. Thank you very much sa lahat ng agency na nagpapabot dito. Thank you guys. Don't forget to tap the screen. Music for those who sleep. Love is for those who feel. And if I chose the one I like to help me through, I feel it. Ay, congrats, win big, guys. Don't forget to tap the screen, guys. Attention up ka. Yeah, don't forget to tap again. Sa mga bagong pasok. Tia Cloud, thank you. Ayan, ang susunod ko yarn. Ito pa. Ang total, marami akong mga girls dito. Sa aking, mga bisitang girls. Bako ba ka, girls? Thank you very much. Mayroon ako nais malaman. Inaani bang magtanong? Sana kinikilig kayo. Ito paano? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. No? Manong mo ako ngayon, ha? Pero wala talaga sa kinakataki. Pinapansin. Ngunit, mamaya. Bro, buliling. Laro tayo mamaya. Mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Siguro di mo maraming chicks dun, ha? Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagulo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Ayan, sa mga bagong pasok, don't forget to tap the screen, guys. Iwanan niyo ako ng marka. Thank you very much, Patty. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kung ako ay iyong iibigin, di kailangan ng mangamba. Para mong alitin, sa'yo lang wala nang iba. Ngunit mayroon kang ibang dinamahal, kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansilak. Ngunit ganon pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagulo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagulo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Para akong manyaki sa kanto. Nandito ako. Ang daming nakikinig. Alright, and here's my next song, guys. Patuloy tayo magpapa-inlove. Thank you very much! Nasaan na ba yung aking ano? Ano ba yung susunod ko? Ano yan? Sa kanya. Sa kanya talaga. Ano wala? Wala dito. Okay, iba naman. Wala, guys. Wala.
The most popular sunglasses for the summer are here. Enjoy limited
Good
time
evening,
offers
everyone.
on the
8
top
minutes to go lang
sunglasses
iwanan.
brands
Don't forget
today.
to tap the
Save
screen and
even
send
more
me
with
your
the best branded deals
recommendation
with
cards sa
free
mga
shipping,
bagong pasok.
0 pesos
Thank you very
minimum spend.
much.
Shop your summer essentials now on Lazada.
Thank you. Manager, thank you po. Ayan. Tap the screen, guys. Habol-habol, guys. Don't forget to tap the screen. There was an empty piece of a shell, just spending my own blood without even knowing what love is like. They're all about anything. You brought me out of a shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, Yeah, I was so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my feeling, and love for what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing. Parang kumiki. I love the touch of your hand. When I'm the look in your eyes, I just know the emotion. My love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away without an out of me. You give me a reason for a feeling, and I love what I'm feeling. Wala si Kuya Luke, wala tuloy yung kampan ko dito. Email into my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. Show me all tomorrow and today, my love. Different from the yes. Don't forget to tap on the screen, guys. And thank you very much. Thank you very much. Pag-rock boy po here. Thank you very much. Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng panganay sa'yo? Gusto ko muna kay Colette eh. Colette, sige na. I wanna make it with you. But evening comes around. Sulot nila kata. I know we're making love. And never before my love, who could ask for more? You give me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You give me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. Don't forget to tap the screen, guys, sa mga bagong pasok. You give me a reason for my feeling, and I love what I'm feeling. You give me a meaning to my life, as I'm gone beyond existing. Parang may sakit. Sasagutin mo na ba ako? Ulit? Susulutin kita dun. Ulit. Ano pa isang kanta, guys? Wait lang. Ayan. 3 minutes to go, guys. Hindi ko alam kung last song ko na to, pero maraming salamat. Thank you very much, SRF Family Agency. I love you all. Manager Nikki, thank you po. Manager Ninong, thank you very much sa lahat po ng admins ng Sugar's Family Agency at sa aking mga amigos. Ate Insyang, Ate Jo, Ate Shen, and of course sa aking Power Pop girls. Si Colette at si Yumi, thank you very much. I love you both very much. Thank you very much, guys. Ayan, sa lahat na nagpunta, thank you very much. Namulat ako at ngayon nag-iisa at natapos na ulan. Bagamat nakalipas na ang mga sandali at namumuni. Kung ako'y nagwagi, pinipilit mas pidi. Ano daw? Ito wala sa akin, ngunit bakit hanggang ngayon nagdurugo pa rin? Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. Open-minded family, thank you very much. I love you all. At sa hating gabi, ang nag-iisa na lang ang minamastay, larawan mo at ngayon gumaling, ang siya'y kapiling pa, alaala na buong magdamag. Pinipilit mong isipin, friends, na ito'y wala ka sa akin. Pinapakarok sa'yo ito ang uyadong mo. Ang pinig mo, nag-iisa pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin nabalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. Thank you. And of course, ang aking ate, paborito mong ate, Kathleen Horn. Thank you very, very much. I love you, Ate Nora. Thank you. I love you for always supporting me. Ibang ma'am. Halika, balik, sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal panahon alay pa rin, ang pagmamahal panahon alay pa rin. Sa kanya, sa kanya. Ito naman, maliit na bagay, Ate Iris. Ate Iris eh. Okay ko ba? Bagay ka? Ayan, thank you very much. Ay, tapos na ako. Ayun. Asa nga lang. Tapos na kaya ako? Sa akin nga lang.
From Johnson's
Check
World's
natin.
#1 baby care brand, nourish and protect baby skin
Oh
with
my
Johnson's
gosh.
Baby.
13 minutes to go. Samahan niyo muna ako. Samahan niyo muna si Dong, ha? Yan. Samahan niyo muna si Dong.